All right, welcome back, my dear students. So in this lecture here, we are going to be compressing our files and uploading it to a file manager right here. So I'm just going to go to file manager there, click go, and make sure that you are in the public underscore .html. All right. So once you're there, then this is where we want our files, right? We want to have, and I'll show you right now. Let's go to our htdocs and then ecom. This is going to be that public underscore html, all this data right here. All right, so I'm just going to select everything. I'm going to right click it and I'm just going to compress it. Now some of you have Windows operating system. That's going to be a little harder for you. Just right click and compress it whatever software you're using. Some of you are using I believe zip or 7-zip. I think it's free, or Arcar, something like that. I forgot the name already. It's been a long time since I used Windows to do that. So anyway, I'm just gonna rename this and I'm just gonna call this the public. All right, enter. There we go. So now I have my public directory there compressed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to upload it. That's what I did. I click upload right here and I'm with that selected there. And here it's just gonna give me some permission stuff, right? I want the user to read, all right, the group to read and the world to read the files. So they're gonna be able to read that. So we got 3 different permissions. So this 777, all right, that's what the code is. And to write, we just want the user to write. We don't have any group right now, but the user is going to be able to write the file. All right, and we can also have the user execute. All right, so instead of being so secure, we just say 744. Why not? All right, so let's go ahead and upload that file. Let's go to htdocs, ecom, public, and public.zip. Open and starting upload. My upload is complete, and I'm just gonna refresh right here, and as you can see, it's already uploaded here. All right, so I'm gonna right click and I'm going to extract. And where do I want to extract it? I want to extract it to public HTML, right? Underscore HTML. Send directory, extract, close, and now you can see that all those files are extracted here. All right, of course, now I can go ahead and delete this, the public.zipped. Beautiful. So now that all those files are deleted, now we can go ahead and do the same thing to the other. So we're gonna grab resources, all right, and this is gonna be the whole folder. So I'm just gonna right click and compress the folder itself. It's just gonna be called resources. All right, and then the only thing with resources is that some of you are not going to be able to access that folder to access the directory before that. All right, so I'm just gonna go to my home folder right here, and I have a resources here. I'm gonna delete this. All right, and as you can see, I have a public underscore HTML. This is the folder for our website. So the one before that is this guy right here, home forward, and some crazy name that I just gave it there. So right here is where we're gonna upload our resources. It's gonna be a directory before the public underscore HTML. And the reason is because we are hiding functions from the world, right? So let's go ahead and click upload, and let's set the user that is using it to have permissions to do whatever he wants to do. All right, so upload and then resources right here. All right, it's complete. Let's go back, and I'm gonna refresh and go back to the home folder, and we can see the resources is there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click and extract. There we go. All right, beautiful. So resources available now. I'm just gonna delete the zip folder. There we go. Delete it. So in the next lecture, we'll start setting up our application and see how we can set it up with GoDaddy to work. Okay, now again, this is not going to work the same in every hosting environment. I'm just giving you an idea how this is really done in mostly all of them. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.